From injury to independence, how physio and recreation therapy work together. Recovery isn't just about physical rehab, it's about feeling strong and confident in daily life. That's why we recommend combining recreation therapy sessions along with your ongoing physiotherapy sessions. After a hip surgery or a stroke episode, physiotherapy helps restore strength, balance, and mobility, whereas recreation therapy builds back your independence and social skills. Together, we create a powerful roadmap to total recovery, whether it's physical, cognitive, emotional, social, or spiritual. Do I need a prescription for recreation therapy? No prescription is needed. Just reach out. We'll help you design a personalized care plan just for you. How often are the sessions? It depends on your goals. We usually start with 1 or 2 sessions per week, and then we adjust as we go along on our journey to recovery.